Ever wish you could snap your fingers and solve all your problems instantly, Thanos style? Well, today I'm giving you the infinity gauntlet of Chat GPT prompts that will deliver ridiculous results. If you are a software developer, a business owner, or anyone else trying to maximize their skills or their life, this is the perfect video for you. Prompt number 1, productivity mastery. Act as the world's leading productivity coach. Break down my tasks into the simplest step-by-step roadmap possible. So what makes this prompt so special? Well, tasks are often very complex and require many different moving pieces. But if you can really narrow it down with the help of ChatGPT and break down into clear steps what you have to do to be able to go from 0 to 100, it's going to make a huge difference. And putting it in the perspective of a productivity coach, ChatGPT is going to start thinking in a way that makes it very easy to explain to you, for you to understand, and for you to apply. Prompt number 2, coding superpower. You're the best senior developer alive working at a FANG company. Optimize this code to make it cleaner, faster, and smarter. And then paste your code. Again, you can see with this prompt, the one before it, and ones that will follow, you're giving ChatGPT a perspective. In this case, it's a FANG developer. And FANG stands for Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. These are top companies where some top software developers are working at. Giving it that perspective, it'll produce the most optimal code possible that obviously performs to industry standards. Prompt number 3, innovation igniter. Combine concepts from industry A and industry B to create a new groundbreaking product or service idea. So with this prompt, what you're doing is you're already taking two things that are working from two different industries and combining it into one. For example, here, I combine the restaurant industry with the software industry, and I get a restaurant operating system idea. So this is pretty interesting because it can help you come up with ideas you would have never thought of before, as ChatGPT can use insights from both industries to figure out something pretty cool and unique. And this can help you, create new business ideas or whatever it may be. It's great for brainstorming and figuring out some blue ocean strategies. Prompt number 4, hyper efficient learner. Summarize complex book, article, topic into 5 critical points that capture all essential insights. So if you're a busy person, this is the perfect thing for you. All you got to do is paste in a book title, an article link, or even a video transcript, and that way you're going to be able to extract the most important information as quick as possible. So if you have a lot on your hands, this will allow you to take away the key takeaways, and you can always follow up with even more questions so that you can dig deeper and find out more. And this way you're going to be able to learn key things from different sources where normally it would have taken you multiple hours or days to read, but you can get all that information super quickly, concisely, and applicably. Prompt number 5, deep insights extraction from conversations. Extract hidden psychological insights and motivations from this text/message, and then you can paste the text/message into the chat to gain maximal influence. All right, it's 2025, the digital age, and no matter what, you're going to be interacting with people through text messages, emails, phone calls, or whatever other kind of digital messaging exchange you got going on. And now the days of, reaching out to your friend and asking, how do I respond to this message, or whatever it may be, those days are over. Now you have your personal assistant, ChatGPT, here to help you, and it has lots of context and data based on human emotions. Obviously, it's interacting with humans all day, so it's going to have a good perspective and on the, psychology behind the things they're saying and how it comes across online. Prompt number 6, algorithm exploitation. Identify an unconventional loophole in a popular algorithm or system that can be ethically leveraged for rapid gains. Do I have to say anything else? This one pretty much speaks for itself. You can use algorithms and different, methods to get maximal gains out of whatever you're trying to do, but make sure it's ethical, because obviously it should be ethical. Don't be a bad guy. All right, we made it. Prompt number 7. And for this one, it's not just going to be a simple prompt like the other ones. This one, it's really more of a philosophy of how you should be asking prompts in general. So I'm going to put it up on screen right over here, and please have a read, because this one, it's definitely something you should be doing if you want the maximal output from any Chat GPT. And the key here is that you're being very specific on your situation. You're giving Chat GPT context on how it should act, how it should answer your question. And overall, you're really asking for the most ChatGPT could possibly give you to outperform absolutely everything else. So you're really cutting deep with this one. And obviously, while you're doing your prompts, you should just keep cutting deeper and deeper and deeper, making it as specific as possible, because the more specific it is, the more unique your solution will be, and the better answers ChatGPT will be able to give you as it has more context. All right, we made it to the end. Thank you very much for watching. I promise you, if you apply these prompts into your daily life, you're gonna see way better results from ChatGPT and be able to absolutely maximize your productivity and life. So if you like these kinds of videos and you like the software development, business, and life advice kind of vibe, please consider giving me a little subscribe and hitting a like on this video. It'll help me make more content. And honestly, that's just my token. So anyways, have an amazing day, and I hope you guys kill it with these prompts.